We got something in the mail. It's a big box. And I think I know what it is. And I think you're going to love seeing what it is. So there are, how many boxes? There are 2 boxes. All right, let's see what is inside the first box. Jasmine, do you want to take this off?
Yep. Wow.
You want to take this off?
Yeah.
Do you want to take this off? How does this one work? Oh, there's like, it has like, what do you think it is? What do you think?
I have no idea.
You have no idea what it is? I
Ooh,
think I have an
this
idea.
one?
Oh, hold on. There are 2 pieces to
2
it.
pieces?
No way.
Wait, that looks like a diamond.
It does. Wait,
I think that's a diamond.
does this kind of remind you of something? Does this remind you of something? Let's read it. It says 10K Club Award presented to you for joining the 10K Club by building an investment portfolio of over $10,000 using the Invest Diva Diamond Analysis. And then this goes on top of this.
Ooh, I wonder what it's going to look like. Can I put it on?
Yeah, so you can put it. Do you think I should put this on my shelf?
Yeah, you should.
Well, your portfolio is right now above 10K, so I guess you could put it on your shelf, lady. Did you know you have an investment portfolio over 10K? I don't think she knew. Boom! The first one. We're going to put this one here. And then we have a second.
I have
Wait,
that.
would you like this award? Because you know how many of our members have got this? Thousands. You can do this. Let's see what we have next. Let's see what we got next. Grab that. We can later pop these.
I want to. They're so fun.
We have a second. Oh, this one is bigger. No way.
Wait, it's bigger?
Yes.
Out.
Ooh, okay. Take that away. Now
Goodbye.
Goodbye, big box. All right, now we got this one.
Tiny.
Are you
Miss
ready?
Tiny.
Mister.
No, Miss or Mister.
This is a little bigger. So this is the.
Wait, this is a bigger one? This is a bigger?
I wonder which one it is for.
I think it's 220K. It's for joining the 50K.
No! 50K! Oh my gosh. So the next award you're going to get is for joining the 50K Club. Portfolio Jasmine, that one's going to be next one for you. Your portfolio is not yet at 50K. We're around 44.
Let's
And
read
this
it.
goes like this.
Let's read it.
And you can get... Boom! Would you like the 50K award?
I want
Then
it.
join us.
I want
Make
it.
your money work for you. Use triple compounding. Look, so now this one is bigger than this is that one. This is how much bigger this one is than that one. These are the next to each other. So
That's way more bigger.
cool. Can't wait to celebrate you. Let's